Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to save Reels without posting on Instagram. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to save Reels without posting? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So you need to use an app called Preview app. So download and install Instagram Reels with audio using Preview app. So what you need to do is open the Reels tab, press on the plus button, repost, find the Reels on Instagram, press on the three dots, copy the link, and come back to Preview. As you can see here, this is the Preview app. Open your Reels tab, press plus, tap on repost, tap on the Instagram logo on the upper left corner, and press the three dots right here near the middle, and then copy the link, tap on done, and go, and then the Reels will appear in Preview. And this is how you can save Reels on Preview on Instagram using the Preview app. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.